Hey everyone, this is Big Face from Big Face Robotics, back with the second video of my new robot head build. And since the last video I've been doing a whole lot of this. Followed by a fair bit of this. And finally, a little bit more of this. The stage I'm at now, I've got all of the 3D printed parts primed, sanded back and ready for another coat of paint. I'm going to decide on the colour scheme and get these all painted up. Okay, so I've been playing with the colour scheme in FreeCAD, where I've put together all the parts into an assembly. I like the red and black. I think I'm going to stick with that as a colour scheme. I think I've changed a few since the first video. And this is what I'm going to go with. So I'm going to separate the parts into those that need to be sprayed red and those that need to be black and get painting. So I'm going to start out on all the bits that want to be painted red. As I said, primed, sanded back to 1200 grit. All looking quite nice, no build lines visible. All ready for painting. So I finished up painting the red parts, then moved on to the black pieces. There's two pieces still drying, and there might be a bit of touch up to do here and there, but on the whole the painting's finished. So next video we'll be putting this thing back together with the freshly painted parts. So hit subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.